Alright, so I'm having trouble with the build. I create this thing and then I build it and it no longer works. So I'm going to make this video just so you can see what it is, so that if I can figure this out, I can submit the code at a later date. So here, another problem I had with the build was I couldn't, when I'm playing it in Unity, I can load from a file, and I showed Dr. Hibbenet this in class. I can load a text file and build a map off it, but for some reason when I build it to an executable, it doesn't read the files anymore. So I hard coded in one of my test files. It's a 15 by 20 grid. As you can see, it has obstacles. So we'll just select start node here, sure, and select a goal. And we pick a tile there. So you can see, you just click the buttons and then you pick a spot. I could say set start here and set goal here. And then I hit start A star and it runs the algorithm. And once it's done, it will show the path. And as you can see, it also gives the steps. So we have 13 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's calculating that correctly. I've definitely had it working on bigger files or bigger grids, but because I had to hard code in the tiles and the obstacles, I kind of made it a little bit smaller for this demo. So I think that's it. We got some camera control here, so we kind of look around. You can see the obstacles are 3D objects. Gives it a little bit of more feeling, I guess. It looks a lot better because it's tall and you kind of see around the objects. Gives it more gravity, I guess. So yeah, we can run another one. I'm just running out of the editor because, like I said, the build doesn't work. So we can zoom in and out. Oh yes, I want to show this. So you can see the things here on the bottom left of each tile is its G value. Bottom right is its H value, and the top right is its F value. So right now they're all 0 because we don't have anything calculated. But if I set a start point and an end point, once you set the end point and start point, it goes ahead and pre-calculates all of the H values. So you can see here we have all the H values are now appearing. Closer here, blah blah blah. So that takes a lot of that computing out and makes the algorithm a little bit more efficient. And then when we run it, you can see all of the calculations here. Like you see here, we have 14, and then it moves over for 10. So it's calculating based on those paths. So you have all of the final values of each node there. You can see here we have H of 0, 192, 192, so we've reached our goal. So yeah, that about does it. We can kind of zoom in, zoom out if we want. But that's about all I have. I really did want to try to get some more heuristics in here. I had some of the algorithms in, but it just didn't pan out because I had a lot of trouble with Unity just handling. I tried to make dynamic levels and it didn't. It had some weird thing where when I would delete a tile and swap it in an obstacle or vice versa, the logic just freaked out and everything broke, and we had a bunch of memory problems. So I had the technology in there to make dynamic maps, but there was something in my logic that's just from me not knowing enough about Unity that prevented that. So you win some, you lose some. I think that's about it. Anything else is going to be in my report and README. And hopefully by the time you see this, I've figured out what the problem with the build thing is, and you can actually play it.